welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. Come on in. I have another haul. I'm actually super excited to share this haul with you guys because it was kindly gifted to me from the brand Cherryz, and I have a discount code for you guys. So the discount code is SophieBBeauty, and that gives you 20% off your first order that is made on the app. The app is amazing because you can collect points, and I don't know about you guys, but anything that makes me collect points or I kind of get like a reward for, I'm all for. Like, I've got a Boots card, a Superstore card, the lot. Anything that I can collect points and just be like, hello, can I redeem these? I'm there for. So definitely check out Cherryz on their app. I will leave all the information down below and my discount code, and honest to God, you guys, I am so excited about this. Like, this haul is probably my favorite haul I have ever done, and this is probably my favorite collaboration to date. Like, I am over the moon. So without further ado, because we know I like to babble and ramble, and I'll probably be rambling and babbling throughout, let's just open it up. So, big box. Big old box there. Right, I'm not really gonna go in any particular order. I've just tipped it all out because the box is kind of frustrating me, and I'm just gonna pick it up and we'll talk about it as we go. So just in case you guys didn't know, Cherryz is kind of like a household and cleaning website app, and they stock like everything you can think of. They stock like Sephora, Astonish, Minkies, like food bits, like containers, like so much. So definitely check it out, and I will leave a link to everything that I chose down below as well, as long with their names. But like I keep saying, let's just get in. Right, kind of boring, kind of not for me. This is a shower gel. It's from the brand Original Source. It's the tropical coconut and shea butter. It's vegan, 100% natural fragrance. But yeah, just a shower gel, and it smells delicious. I recently went to Glasgow and my friend uses this, and I was like, that's nice. And then when I saw this on Cherryz, and I was like, that's even nicer. And just, I added it straight to my bag, guys. I do have another shower gel, here we go, in here. Because we have 2 bathrooms, and to be honest with you, Tom and I just go through shower gels so fast. I don't know how. Like, I know we shower every day, but it seems a lot faster than normal people may go through it. I don't know if that's just me not realizing that people go through it fast. But either way, so I thought 1 in each bathroom and I'm happy. But this one is the Dove Relaxing. Because life can be stressful, guys. Life can be stressful. Relaxing Jasmine, Petals and coconut milk. And it says it relaxes and rebalances, and it's skin's natural moistures. But yeah, I picked up this, which I thought was so cool. Now, if you guys are familiar with me on my channel, you know that me and odors in the house, I am just so paranoid. I never want anything in my house to smell. I try and just make sure, I don't think it smells in general, but I just try and make sure it doesn't. But anything that's like a refresher or an odorizer or anything like that, I'm like, yes, yes, yes. And this is one that I've never really heard of or like seen before. And it's a 2-pack, and it's by the brand Vivid, I want to say. Vivid Cleaning Products, yeah. This is the Fridge Refresher, and it eliminates odors and unpleasant smells, and it lasts up to 6 months. So I'm really excited. It says to place in the fridge for best results, place in the uppermost part of the fridge, shake the fridge freshener once a month to refresh. So super easy, just pop it in your fridge and then once a month just shake it to give it a refresh. But I'm just really kind of excited. Like, my fridge doesn't smell, but I just like I said, I get so paranoid about this stuff, guys. I don't know why. I really don't. Got a little bottle, a little spray watering can. This is intended, I'm pretty sure, for like spraying plants, but I may make my own little concoction of either like a cleaning product in there to spray instead. But I may use it for my plants. We'll see. We'll see. This is something as well that I'm really looking forward to. It's from the brand Does It. Oh, I get it. Does it? It does, I hope. And it is the Tile and Grout Super Scrubber, and you get 4 in a pack. And we have tiles basically everywhere. We have tiles in both of our bathrooms, and the wall, some of it is tiles. It kind of just looks like the magic eraser. So I have to make sure that these are left in the packet because I might think it's a magic eraser. We have like tiles and grout everywhere, so I thought this would be good. And it says it helps remove black spots and lime scale. And they're reusable sponges as well. All of this, by the way, is like so inexpensive. I don't think anything costs more than like £4. So it's all like relatively inexpensive. I got 2 packs of antibacterial toilet wipes because I just like to clean the toilet with a wipe and then like my duck wand, but we were running low on wipes, and if these wipes are specifically for the toilet, I thought would give them a go. Pleasantly lightly scented, and it removes germs. They're just basically like antibacterial wipes for the toilet, but like I said, that's what I like to clean my toilet with. Then I got this because I don't actually have one. I mean, we don't have any pets and I don't get that fluffy, but sometimes I get, you know, the odd crumb on me from food. But it's just a lint roller. You get 60 sheets. It says it removes pet hair and lint from clothing and upholstery, but I thought they're just kind of good to have, aren't they? Like a lint roller. So this is something I'm really excited about. Really excited because I went to dust yesterday and I realized that our duster is just absolutely past it. These are what I use to dust. This is what I grew up using. I'm sure many people use these as well. Spray like my dusting spray on it, and then I dust with these. Multi-purpose dusting cloth, household essentials, dusting and polishing. So yeah, but these are just, I don't know why, but this is what I grew up using to dust with. I don't think Tom did though. Did you guys? Let me know, please. Please don't make me think I'm the only one. I got a new dustpan and brush because ours is, she's manky. I'm not gonna lie to you. It was time. It was just time, okay? That's all I'll say on the matter. It was time to move on. I got an extendable. I actually thought this was a lot bigger than it was in the pictures, but either way I'm still so happy because we need it for like the ceilings. This is an extendable microfiber duster and I got it in orange, and it does extend quite a bit. I'm quite tall anyway, but sat down and I can still touch the ceiling. And yeah, we just need it for the ceilings because I just want to dust everywhere. But we didn't actually have one of these, which I'm really surprised by. I don't know why I haven't had one before. But either way, I've got one and it's orange. So I'm excited. I picked up some Tumble dryer sheets. This is 40 sheets from the brand Swirl, and I got this scent Tropical. They're kind of open. It smells quite nice. We don't really use our tumble dryer, but I want to start using it more, like especially for towels. Air dried towels just don't make me feel good the way that tumble dryer towels do, and tumble dryer sheets might be a new thing for me. I'm assuming it's just kind of like a fabric softener almost. Swirl fabric conditioner sheets are especially designed for your tumble dryer. They help freshen and protect your clothes, towels and bedding from creasing and static cling. The sheets will add a long-lasting fresh fragrance to your clothes. That is what I want. That is what I want. I'm so excited to clean. Next up I got this, which I told Tom I was gonna get this and he was like, oh my god, that's like the best thing ever. It is basically like a garlic crusher, onion crusher, just like a crusher. So you put, I'm not gonna put my hand there, but like you put like your garlic or whatever in there and then it just chops it for you. Because I have nails, quite long nails as well, like the scent always gets under there from when I'm cutting onions and garlic and everything. So if someone else can do it for me, like a tool like this, then I'm good to go. I picked up 2 packs of these Cushies ultra soft sensitive toilet wipes. Again, we have 2 bathrooms, so I just thought 1 in each bathroom. I don't know if they're scented. Oh, fragrance free, biodegradable, flushable and suitable for sensitive skin. You've got a little sensitive bottom. But yeah, I picked up 2 packs of these, like I said, 1 for each bathroom. I picked up a 2-pack of like Minkies, but from Vivid, so like knockoff Minkies, but they all kind of do the same thing. The clean and scrub pads, 2-in-1 microfiber, 2-pack, so they're pink, and my Minky was like, that's something else that's seen better days as well. So picked up a 2-pack of them. I got this Astonish floor cleaner in the shade Orchid Blossom. This is massive. This is 1 litre. If you were here from my Home Bargains haul and I bought the flash mop, Not the biggest fan of it. I think that the pads dry up really fast, so I thought if I got a floor cleaner, maybe it'll help the pads stay like wetter longer and actually mop the whole of my like kitchen. But yeah, I picked up this and it actually smells so nice. I did have a little sniff of this one. Oh, so nice. Like, it just smells so fruity and fresh. Like, I literally just want to pour this all over all of my floors and just like not even mop it. I just want it to like leave the fragrance. I grabbed the Astonish Exotic Orchid Concentrate Disinfect. It says that it makes 20 litres, it kills 99.9% of bacteria, freshness all day, and eliminates odour. This is basically like a disinfectant. It's very similar to kind of like Sephora, Fabulosa, all that kind of jazz. Looks like that. You can use this, you can mix this with like water in your bottle and use it as a disinfectant and what have you, and it smells nice. And apparently I like orchids. So nice. Oh, so nice. But yeah, I saw this in the range before and I was tempted to pick it up, and then I saw it on Cherryz and I was like, perfect. And it's vegan with essential oils. So I can't lie to you guys, this is the bit that I'm the most excited for. Call me a 9-year-old child, I don't care. Squashies. I love squashies, no joke. I could eat at least 2 packs of these a day, like the big packs, not the little kiddie size packs, the big packs. I am so stoked that they do these. Like, this is probably what I will spend my reward points on from Cherryz, are more packs of these. I mean, you can't hold them and not have one or 2. You know what I mean? I got something else from Swell. These are laundry fragrance boosters in the same tropical scent as well. These you can use with your laundry, similar to the Unstoppables, but I also pour some of these beads on top of a wax mount instead of a wax mount, like the candle, and then it burns this fragrance as well. So I will be doing that with this tropical scent. This is something I'm so excited about because one of the YouTubers who I watch in America, her name's Amanda, her YouTube is This Crazy Life. She has one very similar to this. Hers kind of goes in a pot, but basically you can fill this with fairy liquid or washing up liquid. I always just say fairy liquid even though I use Method. I just call it fairy liquid, but it's washing up liquid. You can fill this with washing up liquid and then just like scrub your pots, your pans and all that. But yeah, I just thought he's such a good contraption, because then I don't have to keep pouring it out onto each dish or what have you. Like, it's already just in there. Job's a good one. And then the final thing that I got is from Nutridoll. This is the Fresh Science. It says it lasts up to 90 days. It's a gel power orb, and I got the shade Fresh Pink. Again, going back to odors in my home, it just looks like this. You can kind of have it this way where it's all white, so it's nice and discreet. And then you just peel. Oh, so good, so good, so good. Right, you can just peel it and then it just kind of releases scents. It's like a little gel thing. I had these when I was a kid. But anyway guys, that was it for my Cherryz haul. Like I said, I have a discount code if you guys order through the app. It's SophieBBeauty. Don't forget to use it and don't forget to collect your point. I can't wait to use all this so much. If you guys want to see it all in action, I will more than likely be using it in upcoming cleaning videos, so stay tuned for that. Thank you again so much to Cherryz. This collaboration means so much to me. I hope you guys understand. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and until next time, I will see you guys very soon. Bye.